Here's how to release your Guardian Jackshaft 928 operator manually. As you can see, the door is in a locked position. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna locate the red pull cord, and you're gonna pull it until you hear a click. Click, boom, good to go. Now you're gonna make sure that your lock is disengaged. And you're gonna come over, simply engage your door manually. And that's how to release your Guardian 928 operator. To re-engage, simply find your red pull cord, hear the click, hit your wall button, you're good to go. Sometimes it doesn't come down on the first try. If it doesn't do it on the first try, move the door up a half an inch or so, and it should re-engage no problem. Then just simply hit your button again, and the door will operate as it's supposed to. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door operator, please give us a call today.